Hello my dear kids, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today we are discussing 12 indoor games. If you can't go out due to rain, hot day or for any other reason, then you can play at home with your friends, family and your siblings these 12 indoor games. So let's start discussing these 12 indoor games. And the first game is Ludo. And this is the board of Ludo. It has 4 sections. You can see that yellow, blue, red, green. These all are 4 sections of this game. It means this game need 4 players. But 2 players also can play this game by taking opposite section for playing. In this game, player race for 4 tokens to start to finish. This is the start point and this is the by whole coverage of the board. This is the finish point. According to the number comes after rolling this dice. This is the dice. After rolling this number comes and according to that token go forward. And the player who achieve all 4 tokens of his section will be winner of this game. This was our first game, first indoor game. And the second game is chess. What is the name of game? Chess. You can see this is the board of chess. It is a 2-player game. Object of this game is to checkmate the opponent. Chess is a game played between 2 opponents. Side of board containing 64 squares. These all are 64 squares by alternating color red, black, white, black, white, black, white. Each player has 16 pieces. 1 king, 1 queen, 2 bishops, 2 knights, 2 rooks and 8 pawns. You can see that here are 16 tokens here in black color and here are 16 tokens in white color. And the player who checkmate other's king is the winner of game. And the next game is snake and ladder. What is the name of game? Snake and ladder. And this is the board of this game. You can see that this is the board of game of snake and ladder. There is no limits of player in this game. Player roll a dice and navigate board. This is the start point and from here player navigate on the board. When landing on a ladder, player further up the board like this. While landing on a snake means go back to previous square and the player who reach very first on the final square will win the game. And the next game is Carrom Board. What is the name of game? Carrom Board. And this is the board of the game. You can see that it is also has 4 sides. It means it is also a 4-player game. But 2 players also can play this game by sitting opposite sides of this board. In this, player flick disc by striker, attempting to knock them into the corners of the board. And winner player is whom to get more disc number than the other. And the next game is building block. What is the name of this game? Building block. And these blocks are look like this. These are building blocks. It is helpful to build your child's personality. Kids can play it alone. This game is very good option for kids. And the next game is bowling. What is the name of this game? Bowling. And these are the object of this game you need to play. This is the game in which a heavy ball is rolled down a long narrow lane to knock down the group of 6 objects. These 6 objects is known as pins. And who knock down the more pins will win this game. And the next game is video game. What is the game? Video game. Yes, I know that it is your favorite game. And it looks like that. It can be played alone. They are digital board games and card games, you can say. They can take place mainly on computer or on TV screen. With the help of remote, you can play this game. But much time spent on the video games may cause your eye disease or mind disease. So we should limit the time for this game. Kids, please limit the time for video games especially. And the next game is playing cards. What is the name of the game? Playing cards. And cards look like that. It is also a 4-player game, or 2-player also can play this game. Cards are divided into 4 suits. These are spades, hearts, diamond and clubs, including 13 cards of each suit. 2 cards called joker often include as well. You can play it in many ways. And the next game is billiards. What is the name of this game? Billiards. And this game played on a rectangular table. This is the rectangular table on which you can play this game. The table with a designated number of small balls and a long stick. This is called cue. This game is played with 3 balls in a table that has no pocket. These 3 balls does not have any pocket. And the next game is Jigsaw. What is the name of this game? Jigsaw. These are the Jigsaw. What is Jigsaw? Jigsaw puzzle is a telling puzzle that requires the assembly of often irregularly shaped, interlocking and mosaic pieces. The goal of the game is to complete the picture by putting the piece together. And the next game is table tennis. What is the name of this game? Table tennis. It is also an indoor game. It can be also played on a rectangular table by dividing into 2 equal parts by this net. 2 players play this game. Each player gets served twice in a row. The first to 11 points is declared the winner of this game. And the last game is dart. D-A-R-T, dart. And it look like that. It is a throw small dart on the circular board hanging on the wall. The aim of hit specific target, and the center of this dart is known as eyeball. So kids, here we discussed 12 indoor games. Now it's time to play. It's time to recap our memory. Yes, now identify all these games with me again. Let's start. Tell me what is the name of this game. Yes, fatafat, fine, fast. Tell me fast, what is the name of this game? This is video game. Yes, you all know that it's your favorite game. I know that, kids. And next one is, yes, this is, what is the name of this game? What is the name of this 4-section game? Think and tell. Yes, what is the name of this game? Ludo. Very nice. And next game is this one. Yes, what is the name of this game? Tell me fast. This is chess. Very nice, very good. And next is this one. Tell me fast. What is the name of this game? Very fast. Tell me. Yes, think and tell. Very nice. This is snake and ladder. Very good. And next game is this one. Yes. Tell me fast. What is the name of this game? Striker and disc. Think. What is the name of this game? Yes, Carrom Board. Very nice. And next game is this one. What we call it? Tell me fast. What we call this game? Bowling. Very nice. Clap for you. And the next game is this one. What is the name of this game? Yes, playing cards. Very nice. Very good. And the next game is this one. Yes, tilting cards. Mosaic. What is the name of this game? Yes. If you put these cards together, then make a picture. Yes. Think. What is the name of this game? Jigsaw. Very nice. And next one is this one. What is the name of this game? Yes, These are two whites. What they are playing? Tell me fast. Table tennis. Very nice. And the next one is this one. Yes, circular board. What is the name of this game? It is hanging on your wall. Check. What is the name of this game? Dart. Very nice. Very good. And the next is this one. I think you all have these. What is this? Yes, building blocks. Very nice. Clap for you. And this is, yes, tell me fast. Think. Fast think. What is the name of this game? This is billiards. Very nice, kids. Very nice. Repeat this video again and again and learn the name of all these games. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach and press the bell icon for getting notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.